Welcome aboard, cosmic explorers. Ready to embark on a journey to the far reaches of our solar system? Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to discover the giants of the outer solar system. Today, we're diving into the mysteries of the massive planets and their strange moons that lie at the edge of our cosmic neighborhood. First up is Jupiter, the king of the planets. With a diameter of over 86,000 miles, Jupiter is more than twice as massive as all the other planets in the solar system combined. Its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, is a raging storm that has been churning for at least 400 years. This storm is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. But Jupiter isn't just a stormy giant. Its magnetic field is 200 times stronger than Earth's, and its 79 moons offer endless opportunities for exploration. One of Jupiter's most intriguing moons is Europa. This icy world might harbor an ocean beneath its frozen crust, making it one of the most promising places in our search for alien life. Scientists believe that beneath its thick ice shell, Europa could have the right conditions: liquid water, heat from tidal forces, and organic compounds to support life. The Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in the coming years, will investigate this moon up close, potentially unlocking the secrets of life beyond Earth. Next, we journey to Saturn, a gas giant known for its breathtaking rings made of ice and rock. These rings, which span over 1,700 miles, are a stunning sight from space. But Saturn's beauty doesn't stop at its rings. Its moon Titan is an entirely different world, a place where lakes of liquid methane and ethane fill its surface, and an orange haze shrouds its atmosphere. Titan is one of the few places in the solar system where the atmosphere is thick enough to create weather patterns, and its complex organic chemistry could hold clues to the origins of life. Could Titan be a distant cousin to Earth? Future missions will explore this possibility. Beyond Saturn lie the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These two planets are often overlooked, but they hold some of the most fascinating mysteries in the solar system. Uranus, unlike any other planet, spins on its side, with its poles pointing almost directly at the sun. Scientists think a massive collision long ago may have knocked it off its normal orbit. Then there's Neptune, the most distant planet from the Sun, with winds that can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Neptune's supersonic winds are some of the fastest in the solar system. Its striking blue hue comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. While we've learned a lot about these planets from telescopes like Hubble, the real exploration is just beginning. New missions are poised to explore the outer planets like never before. For example, the James Webb Space Telescope will allow us to observe distant moons and planets in infrared light, uncovering even more about their atmospheres and potential for life. And the upcoming Europa Clipper mission will study Europa's subsurface ocean in detail, while NASA's Dragonfly mission to Titan will send a rotorcraft to explore the moon's surface, diving into its thick atmosphere and studying its lakes and seas. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the outer planets. Future missions will focus on studying Uranus and Neptune more closely, and perhaps we'll even send probes that venture deep into their atmospheres, revealing their secrets. These missions represent the cutting edge of space exploration, and each discovery will bring us closer to understanding the origins and evolution of our solar system. It's an exciting time to be a cosmic explorer. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are full of beauty, mystery, and untold stories. Are you ready to continue exploring the far reaches of our solar system? Like this video if you're as fascinated by these cosmic giants as we are, and don't forget to subscribe to Science Sketches for more exciting space adventures. We'll see you next time, as we continue to unravel the wonders of the universe.